Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your devices share one Apple ID and that the iPhone's Bluetooth is on. This is how audio pairing syncs via iCloud. Once done, press and hold the AirPods Max noise control button until the status light flashes white to enter pairing mode. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked and nearby. It will present the AirPods Max pairing card. Tap Connect on the iPhone so the headphones register to your account and sync automatically to the Apple Watch. Once the AirPods Max are on your Apple ID, move to the Apple Watch and swipe up to reveal Control Center. This is where audio routing lives. Tap the audio output icon or launch the Now Playing app. You'll see available outputs listed. Select AirPods Max, make sure they show as connected. If they don't appear instantly, give iCloud a few seconds to sync, then pull down to refresh the output list. This directs audio from the watch to the headphones without using finalize by playing audio from the watch, music, a podcast, or a workout, and adjust level with the digital crown. This confirms a successful connection. Once done, you can switch outputs anytime from Control Center if you need the iPhone or another device. If something goes wrong, try the key fix. Reset the AirPods Max by holding the digital crown and noise control button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then repair to your iPhone so the watch can sync anew.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.